Hello my Web3 friends. So this is a bot that allows you to trade. Now for those that are hunting airdrop and also those in Web3, this is a new bot where you can be able to purchase a token with a minimum of 5 USDT. Then you're going to purchase and swap the token. I'm going to discuss everything in this video, how to do it. Then what you're going to do is to trade with that token. Whenever that token launches, they are going to distribute each token depending on your activity with the airdrop. Okay, before I continue, I would like you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. If you have any question, go ahead and drop a comment right there in the comment section. So for those that have not joined us on Telegram, we are dropping our day-to-day how to make money online, and we are also dropping some signals on how to trade some airdrops and cryptocurrency and Web3 tokens. So let's proceed. You are going to find the link of these bots right there on our Telegram group. So once you click on it, you're going to be seeing all these right here. Now, so this is a new account showing you the step-to-step processes of how to start. As you can see, the discover, the wallet, the deposit, the transfer, the withdrawal. Now this is easy if you are using any platform to withdraw or to send your money into the platform. So I won't explain on how to send or how to withdraw. I'll just tell you how the platform works. So what you're going to do is that once you deposit a USDC into this platform, they will send you your personal code. Now this your personal code consists of your personal wallet address, which shows your account. Now using that code, you can be able to deposit into it. Once you deposit into it, your account is automatically activated. Then you will now purchase the trade. You will now click on this trade hype for you to swap your trade to hype EVM. So if you swap your trade to this hype EVM, you are going to be trading your asset. Maybe you can come and check it out day to day. Maybe if you want to deposit, because the minimum amount to deposit right here is $5. So if you want to deposit like 10 USD to purchase this token, for me, I don't know when this token is launching. I don't know the particular day they are launching. I don't know the amount they will be using to launch. So whenever this token launches, you can be able to earn your profits. And the how airdrops are being calculated, for those that didn't know, is that the current price of the airdrop times the number of tokens that you earn. So for example, if each of the airdrop is being sold at 11 USDT, you are going to earn 11 times the number of token that you earn. So for more of that, you're going to get that information on our Telegram group. So this is just a simple update that I would like you guys not to miss out on. So if you have any question, don't forget we have our comment section right there so that you can ask. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. Thank you. See you in our next video.